Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here I am your teacher, I am your anchor, I am your host, and I will teach you that how you can improve and how you can build yourself. Look, it's not a very tough job and it's not a very huge thing that English has become so difficult language. It's really hard to speak. People gonna judge you, people gonna laugh at you. You will shame in gathering in a specter, and all the crowd all the crowd will gonna laugh you. Look, it's a very little thing. Okay, if people are judging you and if people are at laughing at you, I am telling you, you are on the right pathway. Just take a pen and in a right walk. If people are laughing at you and if people are judging you, you are choose in a very good way, because I'm telling you why. If you won't change, then your life will not change. Okay, if you won't change, then your world, then your aura, your personality, I mean your life routine will not gonna change. So first you have to change, then your life gonna work. Okay, otherwise it's very difficult, and otherwise it will very difficult to survive, because now you can see that English can become a very global language. You can easily see there, not in India, you can go any other country, you have to speak English. Okay, you have to command in English. Only this is how you can survive. Otherwise it's up to you, it's your life, you do whatever you want to do with yourself, it's your choice. So okay, we are just making a sentence. Look, I have made enough of video about verb, tense, vocabulary, sentence, spelling and meaning. So now we are making a sentence. Okay, so above board. So there are a lot of movies, then you can easily see that, and you can easily drive and understand this word above board. I mean, look, it's a most precious thing in your life. Honesty, I'm telling you, most precious and most golden thing in your life, that is your honesty. If you are honest yourself, if you are honest, just honest yourself. Look, most important thing in your life, just always honest yourself. Never ever lie to yourself. Okay, just always be honest yourself. Only this is how you can build your own dream life. And look, honesty is the best policy. It's not a boring thing that look, I know it sound so typical and so boring that because we have heard a lot of rumors about our system, our government, our judiciary system, our police. I mean, we can heard a lot of rumor about corruption and everything. Look, it's true. I'm totally agree with you. It's all true. But one thing I'm telling you, really, of the bottom of my heart, that honesty will always win. Always honesty will win. So always be honest yourself. Be humble. Be super cool. Be super fun loving. Just enjoy yourself. Okay, always honest yourself. Don't ever lie to yourself. Okay, look, how world gonna treat you, it's not your hand, but how you treat yourself, it's totally up to you. Okay, Adam L. So here you can relate our Ganga river, Narmada river. There are a lot of holy river in India. So if look, I have visited, not I visited, I lived in 15 days in Banaras. UP, Kashi Mathura, and where I enjoyed myself to, and I ride to boat. Look, you are just agree with me that they are our holy river, so we should clean them. We have to take care them. Look, if we don't take care our holy river, then who will gonna take care? Okay, so just do it in your own way and do it yourself. It's really good. It's really will good. Add a new feather in one cap. Add a new feather in one cap. So look, it's like a honor. Yesterday we can see that there were 26 January. So first tell me in comment box that what did you perform in your 26 January. If you didn't perform, then of course you are ambitious to do that. Everyone, if you are in a school and if you are in college, then of course you have to ambitious that to about creativity, about something innovative, something always learn new things. Otherwise, how you can grow and how you can build your own life? Okay, so tell me. So always just ambitious and always just participate in your this kind of social thing. So only look. If you are just shame to what people will tell you, if what people gonna laugh you, then you are really in trouble, dude. You are really in trouble. So always just participate just these kind of creative things. And so tell me, yesterday we have seen 26 January, Lal Killa, our Red Fort in New Delhi. So I have seen a lot of since my childhood. I am seeing this kind of thing activity. So, but what I can tell. So there we can see there are lot of honor are distributed to our Indian soldier, our heroes, our people who really proud, who make us proud. Okay, look, I also gained. There are 2 or 3 or 4 times in a school. In there are 3 or 4 times in a school there where I got this kind of thing. I mean this award. I mean it's all just. It will always will motivate you. So just like if you like, share and subscribe my channel, then it will boost me, it will motivate me, just like. So it's a reward. So teacher and our elder give to child, and what they think that who are capable of this kind of award, like our what is our national award, Bharat Ratna, Padam Shri, Padam Bhushan, Dada Sahab Phalke award. These are the award. So yes, add insult to injury. So it's really sad that some kind of people do this kind of activity, add insult to injury. I mean there are a lot of people in this world who enjoy to this kind of activity, but what we can say, after one own heart, after one own heart, it's like my friend. Look, my friend is like me, my friend is like my mirror. So I am so lucky, I am the most luckiest person that I have earned this kind of friend in my life. I am the luckiest one. Okay, because they are my mirror. They are, I mean, I am just guru just because of themselves. Okay, so yes, I love them so much. I know all they are stupid, but yes, we know each other things. So yes, tell me and write in a comment box and that what you learn to my videos, and so I can make a more content for you, because now you can easily see that 2026 is all about to content creation. So just grow your skill up to school, up to. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.